is visiting Freddy and Jacques Vandenheede. We had this weekend the first national race from Bourges. It was blue sky weather with headwind, and the famous brothers Freddy and Jacques are winning first national Bush all birds and first national Bush yearbirds. We have here the first national Bush yearbirds, a cock. He is winning against 18,729 yearbirds. This with a velocity of 1,205 meters per minute. On a distance of 423 kilometers. He is a grandson of base breeder Matteo, so the well-known breeding line of Vandenheede. Middle-sized cock, very good closed, and the top performing result this weekend by winning the first national.